Vessel sat separated.
Plus 25 minutes.
Jugno separated. Range Operations Director to Mission Director. Megatropic satellite, SRM satellite, vessel sat, Jugno have been injected into respective orbits and the mission is complete.
Congratulating and addressing the entire so now the
The PSLV C-18 flight has been a grand success. Very precisely, 4 satellites were injected into a circular orbit, and the difference between what we planned and what we achieved is just 2 kilometers over an altitude of 867. We have the Megatropic satellite, which is a joint Indo-French mission. And we have 3 co-passenger satellites made by SRM University Chennai, IIT Kanpur, and from Lux Space of Luxembourg. I have with me one of the founding fathers of ISRO, Professor N.G.K. Menon, 2 great scientists who conceived in the late 90s the need for a Megatropics mission, Dr. Kasturirangan and Professor Narasimha. And we also have the director of the French Space Agency with us. And we also have the leaders of the ISRO family, all members of the ISRO family present here. I would request Dr. Kasturirangan to say a few words, followed by Professor Narasimha, Professor Menon, and Director, CNES.
First of all, hearty congratulations to you, Dr. Radhakrishnan, and the entire team that
Control
today
P-
we witnessed as a successful mission of Megatropics and other satellites.
Control POD.
Secondly, the entire team deserves kudos from every one of us, and I represent this time the Planning Commission, and therefore on behalf of the Planning Commission and its Deputy Chairman, Dr. Montek Singh Ahluwalia, I would like to extend to all of you our own greetings in this very happy and memorable time. I don't have to say much about the PSLV. It has become synonymous, this name, with the perfection in launch and space transportation. It has evolved over years, but today you witnessed one more of its consistent performance with respect to putting satellites, multiple satellites, into the orbit. Well, Megatropics and all the other satellites are in their own way very unique, and I particularly would like to say Megatropics opens up a new era of atmospheric research, especially in the tropical weather system. I know ISRO has got a very, very important agenda ahead of them, not only in launching the RESATs and other kinds of satellites, but more importantly, completion of the developmental phase of the GSLV Mark II, and also the rapid strides that they are making in the context of the Mark III. So on behalf of all of you, on my behalf, and on behalf of the Planning Commission, I would like to extend not only our greetings on this very happy occasion, but also wish them the very best in the immediate missions of the future, and also their long-term perspective of taking this program to higher heights and higher levels. Thank you very much.
Well, let me first of all once again congratulate Dr. Radhakrishnan and all his colleagues in all the ISRO centers who have made this magnificent mission possible. On behalf of the scientific community, especially in the atmospheric sciences and meteorology, I want to thank ISRO, its current chairman and the previous chairman, Dr. Kasturirangan and Dr. Nair, for the way that this project has been pursued over the last 10 years. And thank also our French colleagues for staying the course and for making it possible to launch a landmark mission in the history of atmospheric sciences in India, but I think also in the world. Because this is only the second satellite which is, whose focus is on the tropics. We live in the tropics, and whether it's the monsoons or whether it's climate change, clouds play a big role, convective systems play a big role. So this satellite is first of all going to give us exciting science, but it will also be something which will be very useful to society, and to our nation, and to the world. I thank you all very much once again.
It's a great pleasure to be at the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shah, to watch the launching of something he had always dreamt of, which Dr. Kasturirangan spoke about, the PSLV on a mission. And in this particular case, the mission involved a French satellite, an Indo-French satellite. I am delighted to be here, partly because we have used French Guiana and Kourou for the launches of many of our satellites on the Ariane system. And today we have, in contrast, the launch of the Megatropics from Sriharikota, the Satish Dhawan Center. So I would like to congratulate Dr. Radhakrishnan, all of his colleagues who are here, whom I have known for many, many years, for the great success that they have achieved in this launch. Congratulations once again, not only for their success, but for their future. Thank you.
We have with us the Mission Director, Mr. Kunyikrishnan, and Mr. Raju, the Project Director of megatropics.
Good morning. Nothing succeeds like a success, but maintaining and sustaining the success is the difficult task. Today we have done it by soaring to its predetermined destination, following precisely the intended trajectory, and finally injecting all the 4 spacecrafts into the desired orbit. PSLV C-18 has added yet another glorious chapter to the history of Indian space program. Today, we have seen the reliability and versatility of PSLV launch. Like our earlier missions, the PSLV C-18, this mission also had many unique features. This is the first time PSLV is launched with a heavier satellite of 1000 kg class into an inclined planar orbit. Accordingly, significant modifications have been carried out in the PS4 stage, specifically with respect to reduced propellant loading and the re-engineering of PS4 tank to contain the sloshing, and the changes in the guidance design, and also the overall mission sequence. So with this spectacular launch, we have seen the versatility, and I am very happy to state that PSLV C-18 could be launched within 3 months, just within 3 months from the last launch, PSLV C-17, on 15th of July this year. And with this mission, 3 PSLV successful missions have been accomplished in the current financial year, and we are just ready for the next launch also. In this great occasion, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the entire ISRO teams and the participating industries for their immense contribution towards the successful launch. And I am quite sure that the same level of cooperation and dedication will be there for the immediate forthcoming launch of PSLV C-19, an XL version of PSLV with India's first radar imaging satellite, RISAT